What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Happy holidays to you. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, go to this website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description. Go check it out and see what I got going on. All right, so we're here to show you a marketing system, a marketing funnel that you can use to help promote the Legacy Builder program. All right, you probably have seen me if you've been following me, right? I've been promoting the Legacy Builder program since March of this year when it first launched, okay? And I've been promoting it heavy because I believe it is the #1 digital program on the net right now, all right, and beyond, all right? And we've shown you over and over and over and over proof of people that have gotten results from the program as well as myself, all right? And you can go to coffeeandcoins.info to check it out as well. But I want to show you this marketing system that I am going to be using right now and beyond to promote the Legacy Builder program, okay? This is a third-party system. It is not included in the program if you purchase the program, all right? It's third party. However, there is a system that's included, okay, that we're using system.io with, right? And I've been talking about that, but this is not that, right? That's a free one, free marketing system. So, but I want to show you this. I'm super excited about it. I will be promoting the Legacy Builder program with this as well, but I will always include the free system link in the description as well. All right, so let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so the Simple Digital Success System, a turnkey marketing system exclusively for digital growth community business builders. This is for the Legacy Builder program. All right, and I want to say it again. This is not included in the program, okay? Third party. Now, what I will say, okay, shout out to the person that created it, this helped create this program. I've purchased numerous marketing systems from him in the past. If you guys remember a program called Easy One Up, you guys remember that program? It was fire for what, like 9 years, something like that. I purchased a program for that one, if you recall, called Vertex Lead System. Y'all remember that one? That thing converted. All right. So we're back with this system for the Legacy program. So let's talk about it. Let's go over it. It's a 2-minute video here. I'm going to show that in a second. But check this out. The SDS marketing system offers DGC business builders an opportunity to level up your prospect communications using technology. The comprehensive suite of tools and resources include will allow you to easily organize and manage your contacts, tap into new sales funnels that include the capture pages, guys. You're going to get that. You're going to get bridge pages, landing pages, video follow-up pages. All right, this expanded sales funnel allows you to share your story effectively with your prospects. So this is a done-for-you system. Because I am, I've been on this person's email list, right? So I get all the emails for years. So when I was sent this funnel, I knew I had to get into it. And this, I've known about it before it even launched. Okay, I knew it was coming like a couple months ago. So I just couldn't wait to get my hands on it. So I am here to show it to you. All right. So this entertaining marketing system presents your business 24/7 while creating additional automated income. So step 1 is you're going to get the Legacy Builder program. Okay, this helps promote that program. So again, it's not included. Okay, third party. But if you get this, you want to purchase your products. Okay, there's 4 products in the Legacy Builder program. So you want to purchase your products. You want to step 2, join this system. Launch this system, training, setup, videos, show you how to set it up. And then you can start promoting it so that you can earn income. Okay, instant commissions with the Legacy Builder program. So this system offers easy access to additional prospect communication resources. Easily customize your capture pages with new background images and text. If you want to do that, you can customize, or you can use the pre-built templates. In addition to a complete email autoresponder system, you have the option to use your own email campaign or one of the pre-written or loaded email campaigns. You can also tap into the power of text message marketing. Text message templates are provided. SDS members get access to the media library of videos, audios, images, and presentations, and more. You get this presentation here that's going to do all the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to. SDS has this 24/7 presentation in the center of the system, created by independent marketers. As I said, it's not a part of the Legacy Builder program, okay, but it's going to help you promote it. It includes fun and entertaining and informative short videos throughout the prospect follow-up system. The system offers tremendous flexibility, allowing you to tell your story and quickly connect with your prospects. If you want to do that, you can customize it. All right. And of course, by sharing this system with others, you can earn residual income. So another way to earn residual income, right? And remember, you're going to earn instant commissions with the Legacy program, right? Anyway, by promoting those 4 products. And then most people are going to want this system too. So now you got residual on top of that coming in. A powerful full-featured marketing platform. They've partnered with this third-party company for this system, have partnered with Networker Central. All right, and this is the power behind it. So again, by sharing it with others, this system, if folks purchase it from your link, all right, you can earn residual income. All right, exclusive access to all SDS content, 2-tier affiliate program. Okay, that's where you're going to earn the additional income with this system. And this system, the Network Central, it has an app, guys, that comes with it as well. So I'm excited to show you this. All right, simple digital success system. All right, it's simple 2-step process. Sign up. You can get a 14-day trial, okay, of the system. This is the technology that powers the entire system and contains all the bells and whistles you need to automate your Legacy Builder business. So you're going to join here, step 1. Okay, so you want to get your system. And then step 2, after completing step 1, you can get the marketing system. Okay, that's a part of it. So you've got to have the Network Central in order to get access to this marketing funnel. Okay, so let's check out this video, and then I'm going to show you some of these amazing pages that you get. You'll see one of the pages that I am using, and I'm going to be using it different places, different traffic exchanges, with my Sparky AI, just different pages I can use that people have not seen. Okay, so let's check out this video. Check this out.
Hey, it's Jason, and welcome to Simple Digital Success, a revolutionary automated selling system for Legacy Builder and digital growth community members. It's no secret that Legacy Builder has been sweeping the internet and helping thousands of people create life-changing results online. It works, period. But we wanted to take our decades of affiliate marketing funnel creating experience and add a little more sizzle to the steak. Throw some gasoline on the fire, if you will. We partnered up with Networker Central, a robust all-in-one marketing platform to power our Simple Digital Success sales funnels. All of our custom capture pages, pre-written autoresponders, video sales pages, and legacy building resources are instantly available inside. Our system is simple to operate and has everything you need, including a mobile app, so you can one-touch text and email your prospects on the go. Plus, Networker Central is owned by a 20-year-old lead generation company, so you can purchase leads right from your back office and have the system contact them automatically. We'll even give you $100 in free leads to start. Lastly, how about enjoying an extra residual income stream when you refer others to Simple Digital Success? People are going to want to use the same system that closed them, making it easy for you to refer them and get paid. Building multiple streams of income these days is not just smart, it's absolutely essential. So here's what happens next. This is a two-step process, so pay close attention for a simple and smooth experience. Step 1. Sign up for the 14-day free trial of Networker Central. This is the technology that powers the entire system and contains all the bells and whistles you need to automate your legacy builder business. After that, it's only $29 or $49 a month, depending on the package you choose. Step 2. Purchase the Simple Digital Success Funnel for a one-time $40. Once you purchase, you'll get the Team Share access code so you can immediately unlock everything and get started. Okie dokie, that's it. If you're serious about taking your legacy builder business to the next level and using the latest, most unique presentation system on the market, then hit the button below and let's get started. I'll see you on the inside.
All right, guys, so check that out. All right, so let's go over here and let me just show you just a little bit, and then we'll be back to do a back office, okay, tour of everything as well. But just want to show you some of these pages. All right, so check this one out here. This is one, right? Check it out, check it out, right? Look, daily pay with the #1 interactive digital marketing program of 2024, okay? Got this little video here. I'm going to let you watch that. Again, go check this out at coffeeandcoins.info, link in the description, okay? And see how it explains. It's an easy 1, 2, 3, right? Get started, get automated system, earn while you learn, purchase your program. Remember, there's 4 programs in the Legacy Builder program. And then again, Legacy Builder comes with a free system via system.io, right? This is optional, okay? So if you don't want this one, I've got the link in the description. You can get your system.io free system. But this is the third-party one, SDS marketing system, okay? So you get that, and then you can start promoting so that you can earn commissions while you learn the program. A simple but powerful digital franchise basically is a business in a box, right? But it's a program because you got interactive communication with this. It's not just a program that's sitting in your dashboard and you're alone by yourself, okay? That's what makes the Legacy Builder program powerful. So I'm just scanning through this so you can see this is one of the pages. This is what I think I saw. This is the page I believe I saw first, all right? And I got excited about it and couldn't wait until it launched, but it's now here. All right, so I'm just thumbing through this one. All this is on one of the pages you're going to get. Then it talks about the 2-hour workday there. Then right here is video, videos you've probably seen on some of the webinars they've had of testimonies of real people. That's included here, guys. So just imagine sharing this with your list. Maybe you already have an email list, and you can just send emails out promoting this page, right? That's going to get folks fired up. People that may be already in Legacy Builder, right? And they see this and say, hey, I want that system too. That's going to get you commissions on the system. That's residual, because month after month, they're going to keep the system, right? And that's going to give you residual income. Or for the people that's been on the fence, guess what? This is even more exciting for you as well, because now you can sign up with the Legacy program, get one of those programs, or go all in like I did. It's up to you. Get in where you fit in. You know, they've got the $900, the $600, the $300, or the $100 program. You decide, right? One-time payment, no monthly fees with the program, the digital program, the Legacy Builder, right? No monthly fees there. So just decide what you want to do. It comes, of course, with all the bonuses that the Legacy Builder program offers. All this is on this page, and this is what's going to help get you sales for the Legacy program, because it does all the selling and telling. this page does. Check it out. Look at this. Get all the bonuses, and then there's a button here. If folks want to go ahead and do the 900, they click this, it'll take them there. Or they'll come down and it says not ready for the $900 commissions. Guess what? Look, 600, 300, or 100. All those buttons are there. You're just going to plug in your info from the back office, right? It shows the bonuses on this page. This is an awesome page, guys. All right, and then let me give you a sneak peek. Let's go over here. So if we go over here, here's our dashboard for the Network Central. Remember I said Network Central powers this thing. You've got to get this in order to get the marketing system. This is where you're going to get the residual income, right? So in here, take a look. We'll come back another day, do some back office stuff. But I just want you to see some of the pages that's in here. It's amazing. All these pages you're going to have access to. When I tell you, it really does the job. It got me in. Because when I saw it before it even launched, I was like, got to have it. All right. So go ahead and get your free trial. Try this thing out, right? You get the 14-day trial. Let me find that page. Hold on a second. Okay, so here it is. See, SDS partners with Networker Central. Okay, Simple Digital Success is powered by the Network Central. That's the one where you'll get the app and everything. That's the back office that I just showed you. See, you can start for free. Okay, get the free trial so you can go in the back office, check it all out for yourself. And then for a limited offer, they've got for $100 and free leads. Okay, so definitely go check it out. www.coffeeandcoins.info. You want to get access to this. I'm telling you, this is going to be powerful for 2025 for you to kick off your business in Legacy Builder program. So go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Look forward to partnering with you guys. Check out the funnel. Get the free trial and check it all out. See how it flows. See all these pages that you're going to get. You will be blown away as well. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash it. Like the video, please. And thank you. All right. On your way out, hit that subscribe button. All right. So that you can be notified. And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.